If you have a shoulder pain, shoulder injury, or spend a lot of time slouching over a computer, cell phone, this constant head forward posture can cause the rear shoulders, the back muscle to lengthen while the chest muscle becomes tight. This leads to pain and a reduced range of motion. Namaste, friends. I am Ritesh, and today we focus on shoulder pain or shoulder injury. And remember the key, friends. In all my anatomy courses, I have always said mobilize, stretch, and then strengthen. And today we focus on strengthening. Friends, research indicates that including shoulder exercises in your strength training routine can help reduce pain and disability in these areas. For example, a large group of office workers participating in one study experienced positive results using 3 short exercise sessions per week. Performing these can also improve your functional fitness, walking and sitting with a healthier stance. Not only supports a healthier spine, but has also been shown to boost self confidence. Friends, the target muscles, when you externally rotate, that is your prime movers, the rear deltoids, rotator cuff, especially the infraspinatus and teres minor works. But when you squeeze the shoulder blades, the assistant muscle, the traps and the rhomboids do the work. And you stabilize, and your stabilizers are your core muscle, your forearm muscles, and your bicep and tricep. Bilateral shoulder horizontal abduction. Oh my God, I can't understand these simple terms. Simple terms, scapular retraction or reverse fly. Now friends, this can also be done in a prone position, that is lying down on the abdomen without the band, and then later on you can use the bands. This exercise can be done with both arm, known as bilateral, and one arm, that is known as unilateral. Stand upright, bends in arm in front of you, front of the chest, so horizontal position. Now adjust the resistance that you want. Okay, keep your shoulders down and keep your arms parallel to the floor. Now I have folded it so I can increase the resistance or decrease it. Okay, now don't flex, so wrist should be neutral. Do I not flexing it? You're not extending it. Okay, now hold that position, core engage, chin tuck. Now slowly abduct your arms away to the sides. Okay, and then slowly return to the start position. So let's make it, basically you do 3 of 10 sets, but it depends. Today we are doing only 1 set, so let's do it together. Now, important tip here is slightly externally rotate the shoulder so that the shoulder socket opens, it doesn't closes. There is no internal rotation. So I'm holding this position, core engage, and squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end of the movement. Inhale, abduct both the arms, hold, and exhale, adduct your arms. So it's a horizontal position. But remember, do not use momentum. So you're not doing like this, right? Don't use momentum, don't do fast movement. Once again, inhale, abduct your arms, hold for a second. Exhale, adduct your arms. Now remember to engage your core, the intra-abdominal pressure. And we don't need any extension, so avoid this movement, okay? So let's do it together. Inhale, abduct your arms, hold for a sec, and exhale, adduction of your arm. Now remember, feel your back muscles as you do this movement. Once again, inhale, abduct your arms, and hold for a second. Feel your traps and rhomboids. Exhale, adduct your arms. It might happen that the shoulder starts paining. Take a rest and do it slowly. Remember, feel your traps and rhomboids. So once again, I am increasing the resistance by making it shorter. Once again, inhale, abduct your arms, hold for a second, And exhale, adduct your arms. Remember, don't forget that smile. Don't be very serious. Okay, I once again shorten it. Chin tuck, core engaged, shoulders down. Inhale, abduct your arms. Hold for a second. And exhale, adduct your arms. Remember that your shoulders are, don't tighten it too much or don't elevate it. Okay, inhale, abduct your arms. And hold for a second. Feel your traps and rhomboids. Exhale, adduct your arms. Now, once again, inhale, abduct your arms. It's burning. Exhale, adduct your arms. Remember to control the band. Don't let the band control you, right? So go slowly. Once again, inhale, 8, abduct your arms. And exhale, adduction. Okay. Now, while doing it, see that you're not elevating the shoulders. Okay. The shoulders are relaxed and down. 9. Inhale, abduct your arms and hold for a second. And exhale, adduct your arms. And don't forget your breathing. The last one, 10. Inhale, abduct your arms. Hold for a second. And exhale, adduct your arms. Relax. Now friends, you can increase the resistance. I have changed from yellow to the red one. You can. Now by shortening it, you are changing the resistance band. So you can go for any color that you want. I'm using the red ones. Now that was bilateral. That means with both arms. Now let us do a unilateral. That was bilateral reverse fly. Now let's focus on unilateral reverse fly, or in simple terms, single arm variation. As usual, the same alignment. I'm holding it once again horizontal, but it's a single arm variation. So I hold my uh, left arm, move, abduct your right arm, hold, and come back, exhale. 1, inhale, abduct your left arm, hold, and exhale. Now I'm reducing it a little bit more, okay, to increase the resistance. Now, the second one, inhale, abduct your right arm, and come back. Hold for a second. Now, inhale, abduct your left arm, exhale, adduction, right? Now check that your shoulders are relaxed, you're not elevating it. Okay, once again, the third one, inhale, abduct your right arm and exhale. Inhale, abduct your left arm and exhale. Inhale, abduct your right arm, exhale. Inhale, abduct your left arm, exhale. Try to feel the traps and rhomboids burning and your one shoulder starts paining a lot, right? Inhale, abduct your right arm, exhale. Okay? Inhale, abduct your left arm and exhale. Once again, continue. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come back, relax yourself. Now friends, you can increase the resistance by shortening it or changing the color of your bands, yellow, red, or the blue, more intense, the black ones. Remember friends, you are not doing it daily. Give 1 day gap because the muscles break. And that's it for the day. Take care, keep smiling. Namaste.